How to fix Prizepicks withdrawal failed or not working? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, let's learn how to withdraw funds. So for that, you need to request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal account, or debit card that you can have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. To request a withdrawal, navigate to the menu located in top right of Prizepicks app. If you're accessing your account on a browser, menu is in top right corner, then you can select Request Withdrawal. You will receive OTP by email as soon as you request a withdrawal, and no further action is needed in your part. And we will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. So this is the way to withdraw funds. Now you need to know why your withdrawal request failed. Prizepicks has a 1x playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all deposited funds once before withdrawing them. For example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through 25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. Also, inaccurate bank account information can also cause withdrawal requests to fail. If this happens, your funds will be returned to your credit funds balance and you'll be able to create a new withdrawal. So, by following this criteria and information, you simply need to fix withdrawal failed or not working on Prizepicks. So, that's all for today. I hope this guide was informative and helpful. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.